and welcome back for another video. On my channel you have seen several videos concerning my Longchamp pouches. I have done reviews concerning my Foulonné collection, you know those one, the rectangular one. I will link below, no worry guys if you have missed it. And I have also done reviews concerning my Longchamp Pliage Pouches. No worry, link below. And I have remarked I have completely forgot to do a proper review concerning another type of Longchamp pouches, this one. They also belong to the Foulonné line. I forgot to make a proper review concerning them, and since this item is still sold by Longchamp, well, I think it can help some people which are wondering how you can use this item and if it is a good item or not. So today I'm going to do this video because I've got those two for quite a long time now. So let's go. For those who do not know me, hi everyone, I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover, and above all, Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do videos concerning bags in French, my mother language, and English. So if you love my content, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subby and you return and keep looking at my videos, thanks a lot for your support. Love you guys. So yes, let's have a talk about those cuties. As you can tell, I only have two of them because the rectangular one I've got, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 of them, yes, 6 or even 7. Well, I've got more. And those two one, I only have 2. I will tell you, no worry guys, but before a little description. This one was my very first one, and as you can tell, she is a bit different. This is a more recent one. I will write the dimension of this item. So it got a quite lunar form, half moon form. Look at it. It's all in Foulonné leather, nothing at the bottom. You've got a zip closure, and here you can remark you've got this Longchamp logo. The new version have this kind of logo. It's just a tiny rectangular with Longchamp and the tiny logo there. Another difference, it's like I have done a review concerning, you know, the count purses, and in fact it's nearly the same difference. The oldest one got a plastic zip, and whereas the new one got a metal zip, you see? So this is a different, and the last different, here you've got the Longchamp logo embossed and nothing behind. The more recent one got the Longchamp still embossed, and here, as you can tell, you've got the little horse with a jockey, you see? So that was the main difference, because inside it's the same principle. You've got one main compartment, oh, I will show you after, and you've got a flap pocket here, you see, which is quite big. So I got only 2 of them because due to their form, I am not using them every day like my other one, which is really thinner. This one are most of the time in my house or when I travel in my suitcase. And 2, it's already perfect for me. So this one is my oldest one, as I just explained you, and I am using it for my custom jewelry and to keep my watches. Oh, this is flick-flack watches. Yes, I know guys, I am also using kid watches. One day maybe I will explain you why. And yes, it's perfect. You know, I am every time changing my necklaces. I've got a bunch of custom jewelry, and for me it's easier to put all of them in this pouch, and this is in my bedroom. and it's perfect, seriously. So this one, as I am telling you, I'm mainly using it for this purpose. The other one, oh, by the way, this is cognac color, and this one is mimosa. It's a nice yellow that Longchamp launches years ago, and this one stays in my bathroom, and I am using it for all you know, my airtight, my air clip. Oops, there's a bunch of them. I've got also a cream, and yes, there's a bunch. Seriously, there's a bunch of air clip and so on. And it's seriously practical because I can put all of them, I close, and I have no dust or something else. So for me, it's really practical. And both of them, as I just said, when I travel and so on, I took them in my suitcase. And that's only the reason when they go out my house, but most of the time, this one on my bathroom and this one in my bedroom. And because I love the style, I think it's a nice, it's a nice item, it's good looking. So yes, I am mainly using it for this purpose. My mother got another one that I have offered to her, and my mother is a diabetic, so she has a medical object, you know, to control glycemia. Yes, you say glycemia. And for her, this shape is perfect. The other one, the rectangular, is also good, but this one is great because she can place all her diabetic item, and she take it in a everyday bag. So you see, you can have multiple purposes, but concerning myself, they stay at home. To use them as toiletry pouch, sorry guys, I don't think, because the inside is it's ribbon jacket, it's like their bag, so it's not something, you know, like the toiletry that you can they are secured, you know. So I don't think, and seriously, toothbrush do not enter these places. You can put only a tiny shower gel and so on. No, seriously, they are more tiny pouch for makeup, for feminine product, for hair clip and so on, or for pen. They are good for as a pencil case, but other than that, toiletry pouch, I have a doubt. Actually, they retail for, let me think, yes, in American dollar, it's $150. I have to say it's now quite an amount. Let's be honest, guys, because my last one, if I remember well, I paid in euro, because in euro, no, this one is 125 euro, and I paid for before 80 euros. So the price increased a lot, and every year the price increase. And today, to be honest, $150, I do think it's quite a price. It's quite a price. So to be honest, guys, I do think and I do recommend this item, even if I just got 2 of them, because look at them. It's time resistant. Seriously, they are still brand new. I use them every day at my house, and they are still brand new. So it's something that lasts the time thanks to the Foulonné leather, but the price is really high. So I do advise you guys, if you want one, wait for the sales, because for the moment I don't know how long it will last, because Longchamp keeps moving and keeps changing every year. But I know that in the Foulonné range, they tend to put on sale some colors, and this item most of the time is on sale. So if you are looking for one, wait for the sales and try to grab it at a nice price, because yes, $150, it's for me too high for what it is. I know, guys, if you are looking luxury item, the price are really higher, but let's be honest, for the use we have, we don't need a super logo or something. Yes, I think you are just paying the brand, seriously. So if you want something nice, that lasts in time and it's super easy to use, yes, let's have a look at Longchamp and wait for the sale. This is my advice, of course. This is just my advice and my point of view. I've got 2 of them. Will I buy more? To be honest, no. But I will explain you why. I will wait that those 2 are destroyed, or the only thing that maybe will make my mind change and buy one, if they release a nice lilac or a really nice purple color. Yes, that's maybe the only reason. I will go crazy for a purple or lilac color, but other than that, I've got those 2 and no, I won't buy more. I think 2 is perfect. Buy me everything. Do you prefer this one or the rectangular one? I have to say that for everyday use, I prefer my rectangular one. This one, I repeat, are staying most of the time in my house, but I do love them, and I am really satisfied with their quality. Yes, if you have any question or comment, write me down below. I will be more than happy to answer you. Guys, thanks for having watched this video. If you love my content, I do repeat, please consider subscribing. It's really helped me a lot. We keep in touch and we see us in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys.